We share our planet with some amazing creatures with varying levels of compatibility with our human way of life. We're bound to have disagreements with our animal brethren from time to time. Lucky for us, there's an army of people out there ready to film these encounters for our viewing pleasure. All right, let's get started. If you learn one thing from this video, it's this. Never, ever mess with a silverback gorilla. You're about to see why. These massive specimens are 20 times stronger than the average adult. Take my advice and stay on their good side. This North Carolina couple found themselves the subject of an angry bobcat as they were attempting to get in their vehicle in front of their house. Bobcats are generally not known to go after humans, but in this case, it's safe to say that the bobcat was after the pet the woman was transporting in that carrier. Here's a great example of why you never go golfing with a kangaroo. They really don't like it when you shave a few strokes off your score. Watch as this lioness sneaks up on this wildlife photographer. But come on, if you're out on the grasslands of Africa, don't be surprised if one of nature's best hunters gets the drop on you. Just be thankful that you live to tell the tale. Nine out of 10 things in Australia are deadly. And apparently one of those things is this old-timer who's had enough of this venomous Eastern Australian brown snake and lets it know he's not in the mood for any of its shenanigans. You go, old dude. Here you are, minding your own business in your backyard, scrolling on your phone when, bam! The second most venomous snake in the world just slithers between your legs. Just another day in the life of your average Australian. I wonder if there's any backstory to this fox encounter. I mean, did this lady owe the fox money? Was the lady posting harassing comments about the fox on social media? There has to be some explanation for why this fox had it out for this woman. I guess we'll never know. The Eastern Australian brown snake is rated as the second most toxic of all snake venoms in the world, second only to the inland taipan snake, also found in Australia. And according to this clip, they can jump too, so there's that. Yet another reason I'm never going to Australia. Have you ever turned down a dark alley and immediately regretted it? I bet that's what this cow in India was thinking when they found themselves face to face with a pair of lionesses. It's going to be hard for anyone to convince me that this frilled lizard native to Australia and New Guinea isn't a real-life dinosaur that somehow managed to survive the Cretaceous-Tertiary extinction event 66 million years ago. If you ever find yourself in a fight with an ostrich, just bring a jacket with you to pop over their head. Which is a good idea because each two-toed foot has a long, sharp claw that can do quite a bit of damage if you're on the business end of it. One thing about fishing in the ocean is there may be other fish out there who feel entitled to your catch. Watch as this guy out fishing has to battle a shark who has their own idea about who should be taking home that fish. This curious llama is having a great time checking out these interesting human creatures. That is until the llama takes a particular interest in one of them and wants to learn more about these beer-drinking Homo sapiens. Koalas have a reputation for being cute and cuddly, but that's not the experience these Australian hikers had when they came across this unnaturally aggressive koala. Koalas and humans generally get along quite well, with instances of hostility being quite rare. This koala was likely a mom trying to keep these hikers away from her babies.
Back away, back away, back away, back away.
Back, quick, no, go.
No, I'm not going. Throw something at me.
No!
Yes. What the fuck?
Check out the new fitness craze sweeping social media. All you need to do is get an emu to chase you around menacingly and the pounds will melt away. Not recommended for people with bird allergies.
Look at that thing! It's gonna kick him.
Yo, what the? What's with this?
This black bear was looking for a quick and easy chicken dinner. I can't blame him. I like chicken too. But thanks to this Ring floodlight cam, the owners were alerted and this bear's attack on the chicken coop was thwarted. Next time, just try to break into the KFC down the road. Our next clip comes to us from Sri Lanka, where we see this elephant stop this bus to extract a toll to pass. The elephant was able to steal some bananas and finally let the bus go. I mean, what do you do if an elephant steals your bananas? Just hope that the elephant stops there and doesn't go for your wallet, your watch, and your phone next. Damn, nature, you scary. Thanks for joining us for this tour through Mother Nature's more pugnacious side. I hope you learned something, or were at the very least entertained. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got plenty more in store for you that we know you won't want to miss. See you next time.